Copenhagen, Denmark. Yahoo! Di jud ako di-skip. Dulong. Dili ka makita. Dali. Grabe among ano, uy. Let's get moving. So from Stockholm to Denmark in Roskilde. Alam mo ba yun? From Stockholm to Denmark. So we start our journey from 1:58 in the afternoon. Monitor natin yung time. During winter. Let's go! Stopover. Yan. Kailangan mag-CR. Okay, let's go. Madilim na po dito. And it's almost 2 hours na ba ang biyahe? About 2 hours driving and it's raining outside. Yan, as you can see, there's no much snow, but it's raining and started to get dark. First gas up in Sweden. Yan. Kailangan natin pakainin ng ating sasakyan para umabot tayo sa ating destination. And the gas station name is no other than Star. 4:54 in the afternoon and it's already dark. Gas up. Kaya mo na kami ng noodles.
Parking muna din.
Parking.
Gutom ang bitox.
Gutom. And then we continue our journey. And it's already 8 in the evening.
Eats?
8.
Lag mo na ng vlog?
Nood mo na siya ng aming vlog. Unplanned winter trip. Yan, walang kaplano-plano. Yung plan namin is dito lang on the way. See you Denmark! See you Teddy Tessa! May nag-aantay! And Erica! Time check! It's 8:29 in the evening. Ayan, papunta na tayo dun sa isang one of the exciting part of this road trip to that beautiful bridge heading to Denmark. Abangan. Malmö. We are at the southwest tip of Sweden, which is Malmö. Yan, and diretso na po tayo sa Copenhagen, Denmark. Exciting. So, doon po yung Malmö, that side. use the touchscreen. Oops. It's one of the most expensive bridge.
For 5
Oh my goodness. Copenhagen. Fast forward na natin. Stay put, we're coming. And welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark. Yahoo! Here na us. Nice. It's so bright here. Malapit na tayo. Hindi ko talaga tayo i-skip sa aking vlog. Ayan, may nakikita kami. Ayan, may nakikita ba? Madilim! Madilim! Grabe ang among ipagdaanan sa daan. Iligid ako ni-skip. Dulong. Tungkol na kay ko ba? Grabe ang... Sige na. Madilim! Kapakita! Dali. Grabe ang mo ano. Uy.